All right, so you want to put your drone away. All right, so how do you do it? Well, first of all, you're going to come to the back of the drone, right? And you're going to close your back wings or your back arms first. All right, and the way you do that is you're going to push up like this, very, very carefully, and it's going to pop over and you can slide your propellers over. Then you do the same thing on this one, right? Prop it over. And then you got to do your top ones. Now your top ones, or your forward arms, are just going to slide back like that. And you just got to be careful of your propellers, right? You don't want to smush them up. And that's basically it right there. Now, you've got these little things that you can use to kind of lock your propellers in place. What you do is you kind of smush them like that, and then this would go over it, just like that. You see that? You can do the same with the one on top. You just got to be careful. You don't want to break these. They're kind of delicate. You know what I mean? So you got to kind of slide them together like that, and then you can take your thing and you can smush it on top like that. And then hopefully that holds them right in there, and then you can store it. And now it's ready to be put back in its case. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on the DJI mini drone. Peace out.